Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost with any rod. We'll start by selecting a very light or clear fishing line, often referred to as Ghost line, to ensure maximum stealth in the water. Next, attach a small, natural-looking bait or lure that won't spook the fish. It's crucial to ensure your rod and reel are well-balanced for smooth, sensitive presentation, allowing you to detect even the slightest bites from wary fish. Now, let's master the technique. Cast your line gently, aiming for a quiet entry into the water to avoid startling any nearby fish. Allow your bait to drift naturally with the current, mimicking real food and making it irresistible. Maintain a loose line, but stay ready to set the hook instantly at the first sign of a bite. Always observe the water for subtle signs of fish activity near your bait. To optimize your Ghost setup, consider using a leader of about 2 to 3 feet for added invisibility, especially in clear waters. Choose baits that closely match the local insect or small fish population to appear more natural. Fishing during low light conditions, such as dawn or dusk, often yields the best results as fish are less wary. Remember, patience is key. Ghost fishing often requires a subtle and unhurried approach. Finally, let's avoid common mistakes. Do not use heavy lines or large, unnatural baits, as these will defeat the purpose of stealth. Avoid making sudden movements or loud noises near the water, which can easily spook fish. Do not rush your cast or retrieve. Maintain a smooth, consistent rhythm. Always remember to check your line for any damage after each catch to ensure it remains strong and invisible for your next successful Ghost fishing adventure.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.